All right. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Lifter LMS vouchers feature. So what is a voucher? A voucher system is a way to provide access to your courses. Let's say you sell a bunch of them in bulk. Let's say you get a check and you've sold somebody 1,000 seats in your course. You could then give them a voucher code that was good for 1,000 uses, or 1,000 unique voucher codes that they can then dole out to their employees or students or whatever the situation is. Another way you can use vouchers is if you sell courses through a different method and you just need people to be able to, they've already paid and you need to give them a voucher code so they can come to the site, enter their voucher code, and immediately enter their student dashboard. That's what vouchers do. So let's take an example and show you how it works. So the first thing is you'll notice in the Lifter LMS menu, you can come down here to vouchers. Click on that. We'll add a new voucher. Let's say we just sold 50 seats to a company. We'll just say company C. And we gave them access to amazing course and membership number 3, or you could just do the course. But the Lifter LMS voucher system can work with courses and or memberships, and that's multiple courses at a time and or multiple memberships at a time. So in our example, we just want to give, for simplicity's sake, one code that's good for 50 uses. We could add that code, and here it is right here. We could actually change the name of it if we wanted to. And we could also just add more codes, but I'm going to go ahead and publish that and then show you. We could also add more codes, but at this time we only want to give them, let's see if we need 10 more codes. We want them to be unique and we want each code to only be good for one use. So we add that. There's our codes. We could rename them if we want. If we need to give somebody an extra use, we could do that. So everything's fully editable and manageable in that way. So you can also generate a CSV export of these codes. And once they start getting redeemed, you can do that with the redemptions as well. You can also email that CSV to whatever email address or multiple email addresses if you like. So let's use this code as an example, and we'll take that on a test drive on the front end. So if you go to the login screen, you can see that I'm currently in a logged out state. So I'll create a fake account here. And I do have a voucher code. There it is. I hit register. And immediately I'm redirected to my learning dashboard. Here's my course. I'm at 0% and I'm off to the races on my first course. So that's how the voucher system works. And if we go back over here, we will need to refresh. You'll see that now this for you code has been used one time. If I go over here to the redemptions panel, I can see a table here of what's happening. I can see that this code was used, and it was used on this date at this time by this user. And again, I can generate a CSV of this report or email a CSV of the redemptions report. You can create as many vouchers as you like for your LMS, and I hope you enjoy the vouchers.